Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. January 24. It's Friday again. The month, it's almost gone. Let's start with Bitcoin and let's see what we have. Morning, Sebastian. Morning, Ivan. Good morning, Stefan. Okay, let's start, people. Let's see what we have. Bitcoin is holding that level, which is it's okay. It's nice to see Bitcoin holding above 100k, above 102, above 103. High volatility, but the good news, they are here. You saw what happened yesterday. I mentioned before Trump inauguration that, yeah, it's possible to have buy the rumor, sell the news, but at the same time, it's not a simple event where we'll buy the rumor and we'll sell the news, because Trump will put some things in place, and you can see. And what I saw yesterday, well, honestly, convinced me that we can push a lot higher with one more dump or without one more dump. We don't know. So far, so good. Let's play levels. Let's play level by level. Let's play setups. For the moment, we are still in this range on Bitcoin. Altcoins look really tasty. And I'm starting to see some setups forming. And I'm getting prepared to post setups and post some swings and make some money. It's that simple. So, on daily, Bitcoin is still holding. OBV, honestly, it's damn strong. Just look at it. You saw I reposted the post from Chad's last night. I have the same opinion here. OBV is telling a story. Morning, Bokur. Morning, Kirmer. Okay, so Bitcoin for the moment is above 100 and is trying to push the range high here. Let's see what we have on Ethereum. People, I could see some W's here. This is a W. Let's put the line chart. Can you see the W's here? Could be beginning of something. Yeah, we have the acceptable location here. We tested $3,000, yeah, so we sweep the liquidity here, and now we are making W's. I think it's a good sign. We can do one more time and drop. Yes, it's possible. If Bitcoin will drop, everything will drop. But, well, also we can W out here, take this high at 3,500, close above and push higher and higher. And it's about time that to happen. I don't know. We'll see. Level by level. Stefan posted in the VIP. I wanted to post a setup in VIP. I saw Ethereum really nice day trade. But when I looked, Stefan already posted that. Well, ask Stefan how much money he made on that one. How much risk to reward made on that trade until morning. So, we are looking for long ideas, not for short ideas. I don't want to hear people, well, what's your target for your short? Or what's your short setup? What you are thinking on the short side? I'm thinking to stay the fuck out and waiting to buy the dip. Okay? It's simple. Now, to convince you, not to convince you, to show you even more details, look at daily chart here. You can see it? Something is brewing here. I think it's 78.6 from the entire range, and I said pay attention. Now let's put 12 hours. Let's put some indicators. Okay? Look at it. Bullish divergence forming on RSI here, bullish divergence forming on OBV here. Okay? W forming here. Look at this candle. This is not bad. And now we are pushing higher and higher. So, I don't know. What do you think? We have a chance here to form a W in the 78.6 and push higher. I think we have. The rest is up to you, people. Now, let's go back on daily and let's see what we have on Bitcoin dominance. We are fighting here this area, but you can see it's a resistance area already. We have some potential EMs here. Let's see if we'll EM out. I don't know. Seeing the news are still mostly about Bitcoin. But people, that could change in a nanosecond. Yeah? You can see even Trump saying, well, not only Bitcoin, crypto in general. And I kind of seeing that direction going. Public is coming in. Public will not buy Bitcoin at 100K. Public wants something that will give them a Lambo in one day. And they'll start buying shitcoins. And when that happens, market is pumping. Yeah, Stefan. That's the environment we waited for 3 fucking years. That's the environment I prepared you for more than 2 years. So take advantage, man. Take advantage. Compound your account and make money. Total market cap here. Still below the all-time high, but above 3 trillion. And looking bullish. Nothing to complain for the moment. Total 3, similar. We are still here, still in the range. Still fighting 1 trillion. For how long? I don't know. People, you saw me posting a GIF last night and yesterday. And I usually don't do that. If I posted that one, I have a reason. And the reason is, seems like Trump and his team wants to bring the public in. And we should be early in this kind of thing. We should buy the lows, not to buy in the middle of the range or at the end of the pumps. Okay? Some altcoins are still at the bottom. I'm blabbing away here for 1 month or maybe more than 1 month. I even made a list with weekly W's. Some people are telling, well, this time is different. Well, okay. Don't listen to me then. But I could tell you what I did with my own money. Fully loaded on altcoins. It's possible to get one more dip. Okay, I'll get some of my reserves and I'll buy a little bit more. I told you that plan, how I intend to do that. Okay? But we can pump from here. Yeah, we are oversold from a long time ago on altcoins. They are forming a clear bottom. They just need a spark, and they could pump. Okay, that's total 3. Let's take a look at some altcoins. Well, let's see what our trade is doing here. What time frame I use for this trade? Now, you can see you had the retest here, people, overnight here. Remember about Peer, I said, well, if you didn't manage to enter yesterday morning when I posted this one, maybe you have a chance. You can see that was the retest. Trade is still in play. It's simple as that, people. Simple as that. A lot of altcoins are looking juicy on daily. Juicy. Look at them. Look at the altcoins. Some of them, they are preparing for some daily W's. I could see some 4-hour W's on some of them. Well, look at this one. Was at 78.6, 88.6 for 2 or 3 days, for one fucking week there. We discussed about this one. Yeah, now it's gone. It's up. A lot of them, they are looking similar. Good location. Dimension here looks interesting. We can form a bottom here. We can form the W here and push higher. Maybe we'll not sweep the lows. Who knows? It's possible. I'm paying attention here. All the list is looking similar, people. Almost everything is at discount. And people, well, this time is different. I'll buy when will be at the highs. Come on. Now let's take a look at what we have on lower time frame. On lower time frame, you can see here, 4-hour chart, I could see a W forming on dimension. I could risk 1% of my account or 0.5 to find out if this W is valid. Yeah, I could. I'll put my stop loss here. What I don't like, equal lows here. That's the problem. But sometimes the market tests a level, has a wall of buying orders here and will not allow to accept below $1. Someone says, well, fuck it, it's enough. You don't put my shitcoin below $1. So, okay. For the moment on this one, I prefer something like this, people. Even if I'll take this this trade on dimension, I want something like this to take this high and then a retest. And that will be my entry. If you are more aggressive, you can take this small window here. Could be enough, and the risk reward will be great if you'll manage to get the bottom here. Let's look at Bitcoin first on lower time frame. Well, 4-hour chart, we are still in the range, still playing this small range here. So 100, 110, small range. A fucking 10% is not a small range, but anyway. Fibong, market is holding the levels. Yesterday we had kind of a dark maul, high volatility. We can get more than that with Trump in power, but we had some volatility yesterday. From short to long, from long to short, and fib-ponging here. As long as Bitcoin is holding these levels here, altcoins could do really nice things. We just need Bitcoin above 100k. So here in the middle of the range, I don't want to play Bitcoin on 4-hour chart or lower. I could play something on Bitcoin if I see an uptrend with Holy Grail on 5-minute chart, for example. That could be a play. It's possible. But in the middle of the range, usually I'll say fuck it, just leave it alone. If we'll dump back down in the long reload zone, that is ideal scenario for me to load. If we'll push here and I'll see a clear setup, I'll try to hedge my spot portfolio with a short on Bitcoin. So that's the play I could do on Bitcoin here. Ethereum on the other hand, well, on 4-hour chart you can see I still have this one here. Mountain Man here was the key who managed to take this one, made money. On lower time frame, we had clear setups here. W, okay, you missed this one. No, big deal. Wait for a retrace. And you can see. Yesterday, I was joking with everyone. I was saying, well, you're not bullish enough. Look at this, level. Retest here and up. A, B, C, D pushing higher. Now we are retesting this level. If we'll accept above this range, we can push higher and higher. If you want to play without general setups, without higher time frame, you can go 15-minute chart, for example. And you can put Holy Grail. You can see you have an uptrend. Just wait for a retest here. On 5-minute chart, if you are more aggressive, look at it. It's already in a uptrend with Holy Grail, 5-minute chart. You had an entry here. You had an entry here. Now it's possible to get an entry. And Ethereum could perform really nice with Holy Grail on 5-minute chart. So there are ways to play the market. Yeah, Sebastian. Was a pretty obvious level, Sebastian. Pretty obvious level. And you saw the change in the market. If you are paying attention, you are here day in, day out. You just see it. Something is changing. Okay, now That's Ethereum on lower time frame. If you want to play with Holy Grail, you have to be a premium or a VIP. This indicator is a bonus for premium members and VIP. If someone from premium and VIP doesn't have access on Holy Grail, DM me, send me your TradingView username, and I'll give you access. Okay. Let's look further on higher time frame. I don't know, 4-hour chart. I think is not a bad level, bad time frame. Fed, maybe it's forming something here. I don't have a setup at this point in time, but I should pay attention. Look at this one. Can you see a setup forming here, people? On 4-hour chart, you don't need more than that. 4-hour chart. Well, let's find the location on 4-hour chart. Let's take swing high, swing low. There you go. It's a good location here in the long reload zone. Yeah. Can you see something here forming? Some W's forming on RSI, OBV. Price action maybe is trying to do something. Well, 4-hour chart is not good enough. I'll go lower. Wait for a W here on 1 hour. You definitely have some bullish divergence here. You can see them? Anyway. So pay attention. Pay attention on this one. If you form a W, you have a setup. Similar here. Can you see W's forming here? I can. Saga, I posted this one already on Premium. So you can take it if you want. But people, like I said, and I'll repeat more often now. Yeah? I'm not a fucking financial advisor. I'm telling you what I do with my own money. It's your decision 100% what you do with your own money. If you like what I did, you can do the same, but it's your decision. Okay? I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not giving any kind of advices here. I'm telling you what I do. If you like it, it's up to you. 100% up to you. If you take or you don't take something, or you play or you don't play. I could tell you that I'm playing with good risk management. I could show you what I do. But the rest is up to you. Just to be clear. Here, W and 78.6. Between 78.6 and 88.6. You think it's a good idea to play this one? No? A W below 78.6 and above 88.6. It's a good location here for a W. I think it is. That's why I'm long already here. Secret. Similar. Look at it. Wait for W breakout and retest if you want to be sure. Solana. Well, AB equals CD I could see it forming here. Okay? So I could see AB equals CD here. It's a pretty obvious fucking AB equals CD setup or a bot setup, like if you are from TRI. Pretty obvious. So let's put the bot levels here. Below 33, above 66. So we have that. Let's clone this one. Okay, let's take it from here. Okay, and let's put the second part. There you go. You are at the fucking entry of a bot setup. Exactly at the entry. 1 low, 2 lows, 3 lows. That's a textbook play from Brian Beamish. Bot setup 101. Yeah, I could copy this one in the live stream, go here, and let's see if I can find Brian Beamish. Yeah, that's classic bot. Textbook, that's an example to teach people about bot setup. Okay? Your entry should be here, 25. Stop loss here, 229. take profit here and trail higher if you want. Okay? Textbook setup. Take it, leave it, up to you. You can try to outsmart the market a little bit and take this double and do different things on lower time frame, yeah. But classically, this is a setup I learned from Brian. Simple as that. And now, because I spoke about it, some people don't watch the live streams and I need to post them the trades in the chat. Not a bad idea to post, but from 1,100 or 1,200 people, seeing below 200 people watching the live streams, I don't really enjoy it. Okay, so I'm putting an effort here to live stream. Yeah, open the OBS. I'm doing the daily crypto plan for myself anyway, but it's a bit more work for me to do this on public. Tao. Well, is anyone laughing? Is anyone saying about my favorite student that he's stupid? Anyone? I could still see this one pushing a bit lower. It's weak. I'll be honest, it's weak here. Huh? Stefan, give you this level. Long time ago. Posted on Twitter. Said, you're stupid. You're stupid. You'll never come back. Well, it's there now. I'm still thinking this is possible. Yeah. Why? I don't see developments. I don't see new things happening on Tao. So Tao for the moment could lag. If you look on the entire history on Tao, you can see where it started. So the consolidation, the staying more in this area until the last part of the bull market, I could see that. But also, once you reached Mountain Man, long reload zone, yeah, that's 387, you are allowed to dollar cost average. You are allowed to buy on spot, from my perspective. So, you are welcome. Say thank you to Stefan that he stopped you from buying here, the top. Yeah, he posted, well, motherfuckers, don't shield the top. Was an obvious play here from shillers, from influencers. Well, from now on, you should pay attention on Tao. From now on, you can dollar cost average, use little old lady, or wait for this setup to happen. Okay, let's look at the next one. Let's put 4-hour chart. You can see the support here. Where the W will form, I don't know, but you can see. Yeah, indeed, we have some liquidity. But when the market was here, yeah, November 24, we said the same. Well, has some liquidity. Let's wait for the liquidity to be swept. And the market said, fuck you, Paul, you're stupid. Up. We can get the same here. So, dollar cost average, little old lady, yes. 4 setups, 4-hour chart, W's. There you go. You can see a W here forming. If you don't see W's, people, I'll tell you a simple trick. Yeah, just go here. Don't use candles. You can use line chart. Okay? And you will see the W's a lot better. And here it's a small W. Could be a big W if you'll accept above $5. Okay? Market is consolidating this level. Look at the fight here. If we'll put the volume. We have volume here. I don't have the volume on this one. Right? You get the idea. The volume is here. The smart money are buying here. Not like Shillers told you here. Or higher. I could go and show you. Not here at $20. Well, Tia, this cycle will go to $100. So you have to be stupid and buy it at 20 because I want to sell my Tia to you. And I told you here, don't buy it. I showed you the levels where to buy it. Well, now I'm telling you, well, it's okay to start buying. Look at my post. I said, buying these levels and lower. $3 is a gift. I don't know if I still have that one. Probably on the other template. Let's find if I still have that one. Or the levels in here. Yeah, look at it. This is the area where I want to buy. Here will be a gift. Look at it. And this reload zone and everything was posted, and we discussed it when the market was at the highs. Well, that's TA. TA, simple TA actually, you learn on Capo 1. If you want to join our Capo 1 program, for the moment, if I'm looking at the payments, we still have 3 places to book. One will be booked today, if I remember correctly, and we'll be left with 2 only. It's up to you. I don't want to chill and stay in the live stream for 10 minutes talking about how great Capo 1 is. If you want to see about Capo 1, see the description of the live stream, of the video, and you will see a link to our site, and you have a full description here. Yeah, join, look at the Capo 1 or Capo 2 if you are already profitable, and you can see. Yeah, you have a full description what you are learning, what you're supposed to do in Capo 1. If you are not doing at least that, and you want to be spoon-fed with what we are doing in Capo 1, maybe the program is not for you. I need consistent people. I need people that they are willing to put the time and effort, like Stefan. I could use Stefan as a good example to learn. Okay, yes. Let's look at ES from a daily perspective, people. I know we are talking about tracement. You remember this one? We discussed this one time and time again. We just made a new high, people. We just made a new high. With a new high on OBV. That for me means, well, we are still okay. I see a potential divergence here and some divergence here, yes. Could slow down? Yeah. It's a warning sign? Maybe. We'll see. But the market is still strong. I don't want to, well, the market will drop. People said, even from beginning of 2024, you remember that it's a recession and the market will drop and will go to, and I said, well, people, look at the market. Higher highs and higher lows. It's a bull market. It's an uptrend. Show me lower highs and lower lows, and I could say, well, okay. Well, no, the curve is inversed and that will happen, and that guy told me. Okay? Close your eyes, listen to them, and don't look at the fucking chart. Because the chart is telling you something. Look at it, people. Clear, textbook uptrend. Textbook uptrend. COVID low, pushing higher, consolidating retracement, which is okay in an uptrend, yeah. 33%, 40% here, retracement. And then up, 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 up. And in this fucking entire time, big people, big names, said, well, recession. And a stupid trader like me said, well, look at the chart. I'll tell you again, look at the chart. We have new all-time high made yesterday. Or even today, I think we pushed it higher. Yeah. So please tell me about how we should prepare for the recession. Please tell me again. Okay. This one, here. Good location. A bit too violent for my taste, but let's see. We start anything we are doing with classical charting with fib. And long reload. Let's see what retracement we have. Well, look at it. It's exactly in the long reload zone. Maybe you should pay attention. Maybe you should look here for some bullish divergence. And then wait for some W's. People, I told you 2 weeks or 3 weeks ago. I don't post swing trades because I don't see swing trades. We barely have a location. That was here. And I waited and I waited, and now I see that something is changing. I see I should hunt setups. I see the market trying to push higher. I'm telling you what I do with my own money and what I'm seeing in the market. Simple. Ripple. I told you, I don't touch Ripple at $3.1. I could scalp Ripple. I could day trade Ripple. Yeah, that's something different. But I'm not... buying a spot here. I have the bag from last cycle. I know it's laughable. I know it's, well, you have a bag from 2 cycles ago. Yeah, I have it. Didn't perform well in the last cycle, so what the fuck I should do? I should sell it for nothing? No, thank you. Especially when you have a community like Ripple Army. Ripple to $569. Well, that community will win at some point in time. Not even now. I'm not selling. It's not over yet. Could push higher, yeah. Could do an AB equals CD higher, I told you. And it's possible to do an AB equals CD. Probable, even. I saw something nice on lower time frame, and I want to show you. Someone mentioned in the VIP. I don't remember exactly who and what happened, but something is brewing here. Okay? I see something bad happen. Something happened with Rune here. Can you see? It's dumping. Either a delisting from Binance, either some fucking hack, or some leader leaving the party. I don't know. But I think you should pay attention, because usually this kind of things in this environment will not last too long. So pay attention. Well, they will die, or that's a buying opportunity and people over exaggerated like every fucking time. It's up to you to decide. I'll tell you what I see on the chart technically. Look at the OBV here. Look at the OBV in general. We are pushing higher. Where this is the zero on OBV, people. Imagine that. Just imagine that. This is zero fucking line on OBV. Almost. Approximately. And we are making higher highs here. And we are pushing up strong here. You think it's going to zero? I don't know. As a location, it's a good location to think, technically. Well, I think we are having something like 88.6. Let's find out. Hey, there you go. It's a level a stupid trader like me or Stefan is speaking in Crypto Traders Arena about. Huh? It's a good level. I should sell my house to buy Rune here? Well, it's at 88.6. No. I could play a setup? Yes. Even if it's really bearish, you think these people will not revenge, the market makers will not push it higher just to stop everyone else and take their money? I bet a lot of people, when they hear the bad news, markets shorted. And usually they'll get punished. You have a lot of examples from me. What happens when Binance is delisting and everyone is bearish. Okay? So pay attention here. I think you, Sebastian, you are the guy who asked what happened with Rune. Now, that's weekly chart. Let's put a daily chart. Well, Stefan, if you really want, you can start the VIP live stream without me. I'll stay here for 10 more minutes. Or you can stay with me. Up to you. So, I think it's a good location here. Let's see what we have. I don't see the volume dropping like a hammer all the way down to zero. Indeed, yeah. But look at this. I think it's at the bottom. I think will never stay too much oversold. You can see what happened. Every time it's getting oversold on daily, it's pushing back up, pushing back up. But I know this time is different. Yeah, let's do 4-hour chart maybe. maybe you can find something. It's too early to do it, but it's slowing down. Let's put 1 hour chart. Maybe we can find something. Well, not even here. But we can form something here. It's forming a diamond pattern. There are two ways to play this one. Either you wait for an AB equals CD because it's still possible. Something like this. And this will be close to $1 level. Or you see W here and it's pushing back up. But either way, one deciding to push back up will be violent. Because we'll punish the late shorters. So, I see opportunity here. If you can see it, okay. If you don't see it, don't touch this one. But anyway, don't sell your house to buy room. I could see something developing here. Okay. Doge. Okay, let's take a look at Doge from a 1 hour, 4 hour perspective. Can you see Doge performing here? I can see some W's forming here. I'll bet that the Doge is the best. No. If you have a bag, okay. If you want to play it and you see an uptrend, okay. But I don't see an uptrend here on 1 hour. They talked a lot about Doge and prices in the same time. Too many people anticipated that Elon Musk will talk about Doge, and they learned from the last time. And when Elon Musk was speaking about Doge, they sold. So they moved the bags from Doge and something else. Well, if you bought Doge at 5 cents and you sell it at 35, you're a happy camper. Will Doge stop here? No. Will push higher. Probably $1, maybe more. Now, Elon Musk has a lot stronger voice, people. You have to understand that. He had a voice with Twitter, but now has a stronger voice. So maybe you should pay attention. Meme coins and Trump coins and all kind of coins. I told you a couple of days ago that I don't want to be long here until I'll see this retested. Retested it was. And I still think it's not enough. I'll patiently wait here, people, below 29. If I'll get my level, okay. If not, so be it. But I will wait below 61.8 here. Clear W on higher time frame, maybe 1 hour from now on. I still think Trump meme coin, it's a meme coin for the moment, will do great things, but not straight from here and not exactly now. Now, here was shiny, yeah, shiny, new and shiny. Well, Trump made a meme coin, let's buy it. I bought some at $20. I'm not intending to sell that, but we aimed out here, and now it's not new and shiny. Well, Trump has a meme, has a coin. So what? Yeah. Needs to clean itself up. 6 billion is still a lot of money. And after you'll see consolidation and W's, we can play around. Well, Mark, I did that over and over again. I'll talk about the requests in 1 minute. So that's with Trump here. Okay. A lot of altcoins are pushing it, or meme coins are doing nice things these days. I give access to all the people from Crypto Traders Arena have access on DGen channel for this week. So until Monday, you can still see what we are posting on DGen channel. Huh? And we had some nice plays last week, this week. The bull market is there for the moment, people. The bull market is on Solana, meme coins, AI coins, and coins in general. Okay, that's the bull market. You can see 10x in 1 hour. You can see 5x on a bigger one in a couple of hours, 1 day. We are in an exponential bull market on meme coins, specifically Solana. Yeah, you can tell me, well, go on Base, well, go on Ethereum, go on AVAX. No. The money are on Solana for the moment. It's that simple. And I need the market to fucking tell me when to move. For the moment, money are staying in Solana. For the moment. Okay, we talked about Kappa 1 here on X. let's see, we have some notification. Okay, people. This is a big one, people. Not crypto related, but this is a fucking big one. Let's be real. People are waiting for 4 years to see this. Okay, let's see some requests. And I'll start with the first one. Let's see the first one. Ondo Pepe on higher lower time frame. And let's start with Ondo on higher time frame. Ondo. I see this one is good enough. You had Mountain Man hit. Now he's pushing higher. And this one looks like doesn't want to look back. I don't know if you have it. For investment, it's a bit too much for me. I don't like it. But you can play with Holy Grail on lower time frame, for example. Now, you can see 4 hour daily it's one thing, 4 hour it's a different thing, and 1 hour it's even better. Breakout retest is not a good location for higher time frame. Okay, so let's remove that. It's not a good location. You can think kind of a bot setup, but I don't know if you know how to play the bot setup. If you know how to play it. I showed you an example 20 minutes ago. So if you really want, go back after we close the live stream, watch that and see how I did it, and you can do it again. Yeah, so we have a bot setup here. 1, 2 lows, 4 hour chart I think is the best, or 8 hours. Yeah. Basically you are at the entry and stop loss is here. 3 to 1 risk to reward, things like that. Well, let's do it. Okay, I'll put 12 hours now. I'll do the example. So this is the AB. Let's clone this one. Great. That's your setup. Entry here at 25. Take profit here. Simple. When the level is good, when the market is good, everything is nice and clean. Look at it. That's Ondo. You said Pepe. Let's take a look at Pepe. Lower time frame? I don't think is the case. Let's put daily. Similar, not a good location on Pepe. I see ugly yams here. Ugly yams and not a good location. Too many yams here? No. Yeah, we can lower time frame here, bounce a little bit on 1 hour maybe. But overall, look at the support here. This is the support, and if you don't understand that, look at the POC. Now you have the big POC all the way down here. Well, that's far away. And you have this one in the long reload zone. You think we have a chance to touch that one? 001, so 50% lower than the market price? I think so. So I'm not interested to touch this one here. Okay, let's see the next one. Not too many. CRV and ING. Okay. But daily. CRV. We talked about CRV too many times, people. It's even on this list. Let's hide the volume. Similar with Pepe. Was a strong move up. We need to consolidate that move, and we should wait in the long reload zone here. First stop, 50 cents. Yeah. And first stop here, 50 cents. It's in confluence with 61.8 because I removed 61.8. If I'll put it back, there you go. That's a level you should watch. Okay. Take that, take this, do that. That's the area I'm interested to think buying. W's here, and I'm ready to play something. That's CRV. Let's see the next one. I think ING I talked about, but let's do it again. Let's put weekly chart on this one, just for perspective. It's a strong coin. Nothing to complain about, nothing to say about. You can see I took the low, I took the high. We had some W's at 61.8. We are at the same level. Weekly W, it's $25. You are at 21. I think it's a good level to dollar cost average. Don't sell your house, don't sell your car, but dollar cost average here, it's acceptable. I still think it's possible. We need some FUD and you'll be scared to buy it, but I still think it's possible to come back down here and make a W. Untested level. Not every time, but usually something happens. I don't know. Every time is different, but something happens. The market is testing this level, making a W, and then is pushing higher. When everyone is scared. You should wait for this one? Maybe not. You should start dollar cost averaging here and hope for that scenario to happen. Remember it. And when everyone is scared, try to load even more. Simple as that. Okay. That was the ING. Kill Bill. We didn't move on daily and weekly chart too much from the last one. Well, I need to go on VIP and start scalping, start making some money, people. I cannot stay here until middle of the day without. I'm a trader, not an influencer, not a TA teacher. I'm a trader, and then I'm trying to teach some people how I trade. But first place is trading. Let's take one more. Okay, Kill Bill, let's take whiff. You want to hear me again and again that it's at a good level? It's at a good level on weekly. You are at below the POC. They don't have news, they don't have anything, and they are lagging here. And people say, well, this motherfucker is dead. And they said the same here. Look at it. How long it stayed last time. So you can compare it. Huh? We stayed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 fucking months. We stayed here and did nothing. From 1.2 to $2 and back and forth. And people said, well, fuck it. I don't like it. This is dead. And look what happened. Will take 2 months again to form the weekly W? Possible. You are an investor. You don't care about 2 months. Your target is higher. Even time frame is higher. You should wait 3-6 months at least. And you don't look on lower time frame. Now, let's look at daily chart and see what we have. We SFU the lows. If we SFU these lows and we are making W's, I think we have something here. What do you think? So wait for a W here on daily chart and try to play a setup with stop loss here. Sorry, stop loss here and entry at the neckline of the W, where that will be. You have a setup there for sure. Overall, 88.6 long reload zone. Damn good location to pay attention. Damn good location. Some bullish divergence forming here, at least on RSI, because OBV is, even on OBV, look at it. It's a big and older one from this level, from November 24, but you can see. Low, higher low. Low, lower low. OBV is pretty strong. In Kappa 1, we teach you that OBV is the strongest indicator that if you see bullish divergence, you definitely should pay attention. Volume is speaking volumes. I said and I asked in the Twitter, and not too many people know what I was trying to say here. It's a saying from Brian Beamish. Let's see. Volume speaks. Bitcoin daily. Volume on Bitcoin. That means something for people who know TA. Okay, so here, yeah, W's. give me a clear double at 88.6, but it's a good one to pay attention because the risk reward could be really nice, Killbit. So you are thinking in the right direction. I will tell you something. I suggest to stay the fuck out from leverage and play the spot if you have enough money to play a setup on spot. Because on spot, in this location at 88.6, you can play a soft stop loss. I'll not tell you more than that in a public live stream. But on spot, on daily chart, you can play a soft stop loss and you can stay in that trade for as long as it's holding the level. Okay, people, that being said, I have 50 minutes of blabbing away by myself here. If you like this live stream, go on Twitter and please retweet it. Yeah? That's the thing you can do for me. If you want to leave us a like, more than happy. If you don't like this video, hit the dislike 2 times. I don't want to be ugly and say other things. Yeah? If you don't like the video, don't come back. Now, I cannot take all the requests. I'm here day in, day out. I'm every Monday to Friday. I'm still doing the live stream for the public. So you have opportunity to ask your requests. But I said I'll do half an hour. I have 50 minutes and I need to stop. And I could see some levels already forming and I need to trade. That being said, it's Friday. See you in the New York session if you are a premium member. We still have some places to join in premium membership. For VIP, we'll open at the end of the month. Beginning of first day of February, we'll open the registration. Only 50 people, not more than that. Okay? Full-time payments, only 50 people. We have some gladiators, that's something else. We have some people that they are old and they are gladiators already, or they are veterans on this. They are not in that 50 people list. But we accept only 50 because we cannot manage more than that. And we don't want to become from traders to become something else. Okay? We need to have time to take the trades and tell you about the trades we take. Not to give you trades we don't have time to take. Huh? That will mean something else. So, I want to take the trade and tell you about it. Not to look for trades for you and I'll stay on the sidelines. Okay. See you guys in the New York session or Sunday with the weekly crypto review. Bye bye.